Today we talk about how can you change username on your MyDairy app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your on MyDairy app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go down, you click here on this sign down here. When just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on your name. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on username here. So then here can you change your username in this list. Click here on save. Then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do to change your username here. I wish now you I get it. So I'm going to change it here. So like this, and you click here on save. So that's all here. Like you say, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.